Hello all, my name is Payal Anand and I'm your French instructor. Here I will teach you the articles of French grammar. In French grammar, there are four types of articles: article definite, article indefinite, article partitive, and the last one is article contractive. Here I have defined article definite. There are four types of article definite in French grammar, but in English we have only one article, that is the. Le represents masculine words starting with a consonant. It should be singular. For example, le garçon, le tableau. La we use it whenever the word is feminine, consonant and singular. La femme, la fille. L we use whenever the word is starting with a vowel. It should be singular. L'homme, l'école. And we use les whenever the words get plural, and they can be consonant or vowel starting, but it should be plural. We use les. For example, les hommes, les oeufs, les femmes. In this slide, I have showed how to use definite article. We use when something belongs to someone. For example, c'est le crayon de Rita means this is a pencil of Rita. To say every morning, every Monday, every Tuesday, every night, we use definite article. Here the example says le matin je fais du yoga. It means every morning or in the morning I do yoga. Third bullet says we have to put it with the first blank, we have to put definite article. Le garçon est beau. The boy is handsome. With dates we always put le. 29 janvier, je vais à Paris. It means on 29th of January, I am going to Paris. There are certain verbs in French we have to use definite article with them. For example, détester means to hate, aimer to like, préférer to prefer, and adorer is to love. We put definite article. First sentence says, I like the girl, I hate the boy. There are certain examples and the practice sheet. Please do this practice sheet. I will surely get back and revert to your comments in the comment section. Please do like and share. If you like it, please subscribe my channel for further practice. Thank you.